ISTE. It's Robotical, Miles from Robotical. We're on the Avnet or New York stand, and here is Marty the Robot. Absolutely. So drag and drop blocks of code from scratch, make a sequence of events, and then the robot will follow those events and create sort of quirky dance moves, as you can see.
And do you use the G-hole?
Absolutely. When I'm at ISTE, you always want to use the G-hole. It's absolutely fantastic for demonstrating the product with an iPad or a tablet of your choice. And yeah, great fun to spin as well.
I'm from Astral Reality, and Alison has given us this wonderful, and we can do is scan this, do this, and hold the model, and I can rotate this. It's the entire solar system. I can do the demo with one hand now.
My name is Marcin, I am from Poland, Picro Technologies company, and we are producer of Scotty Go game series to coding learning.
Perfect. And so do me a demo.
Or the teacher can be up there where they can all work collaboratively with them. The basic
And it goes. And it's success.
And are you enjoying your G-hole?
it's a